In this video, we will show you how to select different tamping profiles for your PUQ press. Start with holding the Set button for 5 seconds. P0 will appear on the display. Scroll through the tamping profiles by using the plus and minus button. You will find a sticker underneath your ground basket that shows you all your available tamping profiles. You can choose between speedy, precise, and single tamp. Choose your desired tamping profile and confirm with the Set button. When it's set, the display will show the tamping pounds or kilograms. Let's tamp.